Hello grade 4. Today we're gonna study unit 10, lesson 5. Same value, different ways. So let's start. Express the models in as many different forms as you can. Number 1, I have a board divided into 10 pieces and we colored 7 of them. So the fraction will be 7 over 10 or 0.7 or 7/10. They are the same meaning. Number 2, I have a square divided into 100 pieces and we count the whole column. I have 1, 2, 3. This is represent tenth. And we count the small squares represents hundredths. So how many small squares? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the fraction will be 34 over 100 or 0.35 or 35 hundredths. Next page, number 3. I have 3 squares. The first one we colored the whole square, and second one we colored also whole square, and the last one we colored 6 pieces from the 10 parts I have, or from the 10 pieces that I have. So the first number I have 2 whole square. The number will be 2 and 6 over 10 or 2.6 or 2 and 6/10. Express each model as a fraction and a decimal. Number 1, I have a square divided into 10 pieces and we colored 9 pieces from it. So the fraction will be 9 over 10 or 0.9. They are the same. Number 2, count how many columns here. I have a square divided into 100. Count column 1, 2, 3. How many small square unit? If we count the whole column here, it's a 10. We can cancel the remaining squares, the remaining 2, so it will be 8. So the fraction will be 38 over 100 or 0.38. Express the following decimals as fraction. Let's convert these decimals to fraction form. Number 1, we have 0.23. I have after decimal point 2 digits. That means we have 100 in denominator, so the fraction will be 23 over 100. Number 2, we have 0.3. That means the fraction is 3 over 10. Number 3, we have 0.02. I have 2 digits after decimal point. That means the fraction is 2 over 100. Number 4, we have 0.67. By the same way, we have 2 digits after decimal point. That means we have 67 over 100. Create a model for each decimal and write it as a fraction. Number 1, 2.93. 2, it means 2 whole squares. So we will color 2 whole squares, and the 93 we can color the whole last square and canceled 7 from it, or we color the 9 column and the small square and the small 3 squares. we colored the three small squares at the end. It means 93 hundredths. Number 2, write your answer to the previous items as a fraction. The fraction will be 2 and 93 over 100. Express the decimals as fraction again. So we have 3.4 as a fraction will be 3 and 4 over 10. Number 2, 10.05. So it will be 10 and 5 over 100. Number 3, 5.97. It will be equals 5 and 97 over 100. And 4, we have 4.79. So equals 4 and 79 over 100. A student thinks that 3 over 10 is equivalent to 30 over 100. Do you agree or disagree? Use the model to explain your thinking. First one, we have 3 over 10. So let's color 3 column from the 10 pieces here. And we have 30 over 100. So let's color 30 from 100 pieces here. By looking to the models, they are the same. So here I agree with the students. Thank you everyone. Bye.